Well, howdy YouTube, and people are watching this in their warm, cozy house with their computers. I am outside in the snow, which is quite deep. We have 20 feet of snow. Just joking. I don't know how many feet. I think we have more than enough snow, I should say. As you can see, we were pushing it with the four-wheeler. Well, yesterday I had a problem. As you see here is a radiator, and this was out of my pickup, my Ford F-150, and tell me if this is good. See that hole there? It ain't supposed to be there. Well, I'll tell you a story. Well, I was going out to my buddy's place, which he lives out in the country, and it's, drifting bad because it was windy and stuff. So I was going out there and busting through drifts and stuff. Well, one of them either had ice in it or something like that, and it came up and I slammed into it. And something lodged up into here, or my tire went and just broke my lower radiator hose right off, and it just cracked the whole thing. It's done for. So I will show you my new one. There she be, all plugged in. It is fucking cold. Alright. Yeah. Made it home safely. I got my little, kind of melted a little bit. I had my own homemade tonneau cover back here, / weight. Oh look, my Santa Claus hat. Sweet. Alright. Oh. Yeah, I can pop the hood. Hang on a second. Okay. As you can see, yeah, it's quite snowy in here. I wonder why. But there it is, all nice shiny. You see right through the grill. All nice and new. Oh, corner here. Oh, where's that? Oh, there it is. Right there. That's what broke. It just completely busted. But all in all, I had fun. Easy repair. But she was antifreeze thirsty because I lost all my antifreeze in my engine and in the whole radiator. Oh, we got some yellow right here too to prove it. That's like shit. Yeah. Yeah, you can tell I really went busting through some drifts because there's my independent front suspension right there. But all in all, oh, trusty push bar, pull me up. Alright. Yeah, nothing really new on this, just showing you guys I got a new radiator because of my dumb ass. So, bye. Finally see the guy got smart and bought a Ford, so that Chevy got stuck right there. Good man.